May I?
I'm Cheryl. Right, that's me, right? No.
Just do it.
I'm gonna do the same time. I don't wanna do it.
You'd be putting fucking EMS on me phone, mind.
Go on. Solo.
Watch the flossies.
You've got fucking chunks on your face. Does that hurt? Tell the truth. It does, doesn't it? Actually, swallow some water.
Wipe it off your chin first.
I'm gonna do it again like a boss.
No, you're not.
I am like, give me another fucking tablespoon.
Does it hurt?
Aye, in English.
It does, doesn't it?
Give us another tablespoon. I'm gonna do it.
Oh, look.
This was plenty, man. I'm gonna do it. Fucking much, man. I need to kill
That's
this.
enough. You're not gonna do it, Cheryl.
I'm a boss.
Fail number 2.
It's fucking success, this shit.
Watch the flossies.
Hey, clear my mouth.
Have you brought your inhaler?
It's in my pocket. No,
Just
what
do
it's
it.
like now.
Cheating.
Nee for that laugh, like. Oh, Whitey. Ah. Is that why you're being shy? Well, you're going to be on in a minute.
What is the point of this if it's making you sick like that? Are we?
It smells bad.
Get in the sink. Don't care. She's going to be sick, get down there. Not over there, otherwise you better wash her up tomorrow.
Hell, man, you're back in the house. You're back in the house.
Big enough.
Get back in the house.
You can get out now with a friggin' brush and a bleach, right? Spring out of me.
I'm not doing that yet.
Fill that water up.
I'm not doing that.
Fill that up.
Fuck that shit.
Fill it up. Does it hurt? Honestly.